Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can design a very beautiful website using Canva, and this website is good for designing different projects, logos, documents, flyers, YouTube videos. So here we are going to look at how we can design a very beautiful logo. Let me show you what we are going to do. We are going to make a logo like this, and this logo it can be for your restaurant, a very professional logo like this. It can be put on t-shirts. You can have it on t-shirts, and also it can be put on different materials that you are going to use. So let us get started. So to do this, you have to go to canva.com. If you type in canva.com, it will bring for you this page here. And here, when you reach here, what you have to do is you have to come and say create a design. So when you create a design, select logo. Okay, it's going now to bring the working area where we're going to start designing our beautiful logo that you want to use, that you want to make. So the first thing that I can do is, one, I can decide to first get a text. So click on text here, and then I add text box. Okay, so I can put in the word pods there. Then I'll look for the I will increase it to the best font I can see, the visible font, maybe to let's say 42. I'll change the font. For you to change the font, you can check on different from different fonts from Google Fonts. All what you have to do is to come and type in Google Fonts, and you review different fonts that you want. You can type in the word that I want here, so you can see different fonts that you want. Even if you have even a certain font that you want, say Open Sans, like Open Sans. So Open Sans here, and you can decide on any font that you want. You can check any font that you want, and then you select so that you can use it when you're designing your beautiful logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Open Sans. Open Sans. Okay, I'm going to choose Open Sans Bold. All right. So some fonts require you to have a pro version. You take everything to the next level, and you have unlimited resources that you can use when you're designing your logo. So you can align this to the left here. Can increase on the font 15. Okay, then I'll add another text here, and I can add a text box. I can type in pants pants right, pants, and I can align it uh, to the right here. Then in between here I want to put and, so I'll press shift 7 and it brings for me that and, that symbol for and right there. So I can align this back right here, and also this one I can align it right there. So you can see what you are making, making something similar to this, and that's what I did. Now the next thing is I'm going to give this one a different color. I'll choose a color. This time select any color that I want. You can select from the color palettes which are already here, or you can decide on your color. If you have a color code, you can get your own color. Maybe you have your website, and let's say your website is a restaurant business. So you can get a color from any website. I use the eyedropper, and I can use that to get from any website. Let's say I, for instance, have my website here, city dealers in. So I can use the colors that are found on this website, and I put them exactly so that they can exactly match with my uh, with my with my logo. So I can use a color picker and pick any color that I want here. So I can go with this one website there. Then I come here, copy the code, Control C on a PC, and then I can paste it right here. Then Control V, and I'll have the uh, hot pink, so I have my color right there. So I can also go ahead and design this. Just pick, because the color is already now included in the color palette. I can decide this to give it a dark blue, some blue here, not so dark, not so bright. Okay, something like that. All right, so I can have those colors, but I can decide to go with my colors which are which are already there. It's just like doing the opposite. This one blue, so I can give it this color, or can give it this color like that. You have to do anything that you want. It's up to you. Okay, then I'll come and add another word. I need to add in a word, uh, restaurant, but before that I have a line. So I'll come and drag this line right there, put it there, there, and I'll have now. I'll take this car, I'll give it a color, red, or that what pink. Then I'll add also another text. Call this one restaurant. Restaurant. Okay, restaurant. Drag it to the bottom. So I can change the font to let me see which font. Yeah, let me check. First from Open Sans. Which font? Okay, I think Nico Ni Nico Nikon. I think it's a good font. Yeah. So I choose that font exactly. Okay, so I can give it a color. Then you choose. So you can choose something like that. Yeah. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll drag this. Click from afar, and then you can drag it a bit there like that. Okay. Now, what I need is I need to add on my image. So the image, which is like this. Okay, we shall also make one which goes straight on the website like that. Or we can put this one which goes on. You brand all your items using this one. So what I can do is I can come here and select go to uh, go to designs. Okay, it's right here, but you can put in restaurant. Okay, so it will bring for you different templates for the restaurant. So it's up to you to choose the one that you want. different uh, different different templates, so you can choose any that you want. So I'll go back and I'm going to choose uh, my other template, which is here. So I'll click on it. So it has two versions, the white one and the air ones or the golden ones. So I'll pick the white one, and it is asking me whether to add this as a new, to add the template as a new template, replace the current, or add as a new. So I don't want to remove away my old template. What I will do, I will place it as a new on another page, and it's right here. So what I need, I don't need these words here. What I need is I need the picture which is there with its color background. So I'll click and drag. So there are two. When you click, this one goes. When you click here, only this one goes. So Control Z. So what I'll do is I'll click and drag like that. Then I will copy this and then paste it. It's allow. So paste it right there. So paste it there. Now you can see my colors are different. This color is different from this, slightly different. So what I'll do, I'll click there, then also click here, then come and change that color to that. Okay, now the colors are totally the same. They are the same. All right. So I also come and click here, and I'll change that color for the pan to that. That looks so nice and beautiful. I will drag this right there, so close but not too close. Okay, and I'll put this in the center, drag. Okay, all right there. So you can see that we are designing almost the same thing, just have changed the colors, but I'll change the and I'll give it a smaller value here, say 30. Okay, then I'll come and drag it right there. Okay, now I can bring this one closer there, and also this closer and so close right there. Then the restaurant, I'll change the font. Maybe I can give it 40. Okay, and 40, and that is very nice and beautiful. So that's how you can make your beautiful logo. If at all I want to make it the one for the website, what I will do is that I will come and delete this, click here, delete the page, then I'll duplicate, and then I'll come and drag, click and drag, and take this to the left, to the left, to the left, to the right, sorry, to the right. That's the right. And then come and click here and drag this. Oops, you have to be careful when you are clicking, dragging. So I want only the image there, and drag it to the left like that. I want it to be in the center of this page. I think the center is right there. Then I'll come and click and drag this, put in the center. Okay, so you can see it is going beyond. Then now press shift and I'll drag this slightly a bit. Okay, now I think my hand was left, so it was left. So what am I going to do? What I can do is I can first remove this, then push my hand upwards in between there. All right, I can take the restaurant up like uh, like that. Then click and drag and align this in the middle. Okay, what I want to see is that this line here is on the same line with the ending with the top part of that pan. Okay, all right, there. And then you have a very beautiful logo. So if you want to download this logo, what you need to do is you come here and click on share and click on download. So you can download it in PNG. PNG is good. It has a very good PNG is good. It has a good aspect ratio, so you should use it. So use PNG, and then you can click on transparent background. You do that if you have a pro version. So you take everything to the next level and you have a pro version. A pro version is not so much expensive. You can pay $12 per month and you can have your pro version. But if you're new on Canva, you're given a chance so that you can register new user, then you are given the pro version for the first 30 days, and then you can keep on renewing your membership. So it is up to you. You can do it the way you want, because if you have a pro version, you can have a transparent background. So you can click here and download. Alright, and now I've downloaded in a zip format because there are two of them. So you can download, and then if I'm to open this, so if I open this, you see, alright, waiting for our beautiful logo. So this is the logo, looking very beautiful like that. And you can play it as you can see, it has a background that is transparent, and you can use it on your items. You brand your items and everything looks nice. You can also use this one particularly for the website, and you can upload it to your website and it looks so beautiful like that. So everything's good. All right, that is what we have. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.